If you keep this up, then I'll let you in. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make 'em jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. You make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make 'em jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. It's coming over me. It's everywhere I see. It feels like ecstasy. Our chemistry surrounds me. Wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make 'em jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you miss your ride? 'Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Cause we're flying colors now. show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back. Yeah, you can count on me. Yeah. So put your hand in mine. I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky as we're flying colors now. As we're flying colors now. I wanna be close to you.
Hello, I am Morgan Freeman, and welcome to Aqua Airways. We would like to welcome each and every one of you to this flight. The Roblox Aviation Administration requires us to tell you that the chairs are for sitting down, so this may stay time. The carriage antenna when you find it. In case of cabin depressurization, you will see oxygen mask drop in front of you. If this were to happen, please place the oxygen mask in your face and don't help others. In case of in-flight fire, please be sure to scream and don't miss a beat. If your seat is warm, we most likely forgot to dry the pee of the passenger before you. Ask your flight attendant if this aircraft has toilets. Most do not come included with toilets. If this were the case, be sure to use your Aqua bottle to fulfill your greatest needs. Thank you for choosing Aqua Airways.
Just like you're young again, no, don't you cry. Just get back up again, 'cause you wanna